Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are doing great, and by the way, I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, today we are diving into the world of amazing gemstones, both Baltic amber and green jade. These two natural wonders have captivated jewelry lovers for centuries with their timeless elegance, unique healing properties, and symbolic meanings. Whether worn separately as statement pieces or combined into intricate necklace designs, these gemstones bring an aura of beauty, history, and sophistication. So, in this video, I will take you on an immersive journey through the regions, characteristics, and amazing necklace designs crafted from genuine Baltic amber and jade. From their formation deep in the earth to the breathtaking necklace they inspire, this is a story of nature's artistry. So let's begin. Firstly, start with the Baltic amber, a golden treasure from ancient forest. Baltic amber is not just any gemstone; it is a window into ancient history. A fossilized resin formed over millions of years from prehistoric pine trees. Unlike minerals that form deep underground, through geological processes, amber originates from the life force of trees. Imagine vast forests that thrived more than 40 million years ago, their resin dripping like golden tears, capturing tiny fragments of nature, leaves, insects, and even air bubbles from a forgotten world. Over time, this resin hardened, transforming into the radiant honey-like substance we know today. The Baltic region, particularly areas surrounding Latvia and Russia, is home to the world's richest amber deposits. This unique resin comes in a stunning variety of colors, from classic golden yellow and deep cognate to rare green and even milky white. Yeah, guys, what makes Baltic amber so fascinating is its warmth and organic nature. It is lightweight, smooth to the touch, and often contains captivating inclusions that tell stories of the past. Some pieces contain ancient insects frozen in time, making each amber bead a tiny museum of nature. Beyond its beauty, Baltic amber has long been revered for its mystical and healing properties. Many cultures believe it has protective and purifying energies capable of soothing the mind and body. It contains succinic acid, a natural compound believed to have anti inflammatory properties. Next, most fascinating stone is green jade, the stone of serenity and longevity. Now, let's turn our attention to the amazing beauty of jade, specifically green jade, one of the most revered gemstones in human history. Unlike amber, which originates from organic resin, jade is a mineral that forms deep within the earth's crust under immense heat and pressure. It is composed of mainly of either jarrett and nephrite, with jarrett being the more valuable and rare of the two. For thousands of years, green jade has held deep cultural significance, especially in China, where it has been regarded as the stone of heaven. Ancient emperors and royalty adorned themselves with jade amulets and jewelry, believing that the stone carried divine energy, longevity, and good fortune. Even today, jade remains a symbol of purity, wisdom, and protection in many Eastern traditions. What makes a jade so mesmerizing is its rich, almost hy- hypnotic color. The most sought after variety, known as imperial jade, displays a deep translucent green with a luminous glow that seems to radiate from within. Unlike other gemstones that sparkle due to faceting, jade is often carved and polished into smooth, elegant shapes, allowing its natural luster to shine. It feels cool and soothing against the skin, a reminder of its connection to nature. So basically, green jade is believed to bring balance and harmony, not just in one's personal life but also in physical well-being. Traditional Chinese medicine associates jade with healing energies, believing it can promote vitality and inner peace. Whether worn as a pendant, beads, or a carved talisman, jade necklaces exude a timeless elegance that complements both traditional and modern styles. Its understated sophistication makes it a favorite among jewelry collectors and fashion enthusiasts alike. Designers often play with different bead arrangements, interweaving polished amber nuggets with soothed jade spheres, creating a striking interplay of textures and colors. Some designs highlight bold, chunky amber pieces with small jade accents, while others feature intricate hand-carved pendants blending both gemstones into a single masterpiece. The organic, rustic appeal of amber pairs beautifully with the refined, polished elegance of jade, making these necklaces versatile enough to be worn with both casual and formal outfits. So, one of the most intriguing aspects of amber jade combination is their complementary energy. Amber, with its warm golden hues, is often associated with vitality, energy, and renewal. On the other hand, jade symbolizes peace, wisdom, and grounding energy. When worn together, these tones create a holistic balance, energizing yet calming, protective yet soothing. Many jewelry artisans craft these pieces with the belief that they enhance the wearer's well being, offering both spiritual and aesthetic benefits. So yeah guys, that's all for the day. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share your valuable reviews. Stay connected with me. Until next time, thanks for watching.